Ryan here from Mobile Marine in Huntsville, Ontario. Today we just unwrapped the 2020 Bennington 23RCWA with Sport Arch. As you can see, that arch is a great addition to the appearance of this boat. That arch not only looks great, but it also gives lots of structure to the bimini top for running at full speed. We optioned this boat with the Storm graphic and it looks great against the blackout package. It has the Elliptical Sport Pontoon Performance Package and is powered by Yamaha's 250 horsepower VMAX Outboard, so this boat will really perform. This layout has 2 rear lounger seats, 2 midsection captain seats, and 2 chase loungers in the front, which are really comfortable and versatile. The interior is diamond stitched pillow top in Arctic white with carbon accents and Silver Seagrass Flooring. Under the rear lounge seat, there is a privacy tent so you can change out on the water, and lots of storage under the seat also. At the helm, we have a large 9-inch Simrad touchscreen with all your engine data and GPS. Also has the upgraded stereo with Sirius radio and kicker subwoofer. The driver's seat is adjustable with forward and back, swivel, back recline, and adjustable steering wheel with power-assisted hydraulic steering. The seats have lots of storage under them with one-piece rotoplast bases to keep the contents inside dry. You have the flip-down armrest with more storage under the seat back also. This is the rectangular table that is new for 2020. It has true wood grain in it that gives a premium touch to this boat. To book your virtual private tour, please contact me at ryan@mobilemarine.com or visit mobilemarine.com to view our full inventory.